Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram direct message not loading. To know how to fix Instagram direct message not loading, you should just go to settings here like this. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram like this. And after that, here in this page, as you see, you will go to force stop, and then you will enter to storage. After all that, in this page you will click clear cache, then here you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.